Okay, yeah, the pose looks pretty good. Um, One thing for the foot, oh, you've got that in there, that's nice. See how the toe's on there? It's actually got a function for that. If we zero this stuff out, and oh, you did use the roll. Okay. I just usually you get a little bit more toe on the floor. We might look at the the weighting on that because it's not. It's kind of squishing the tip of the toe, squishing through the floor. Um, okay, let's look at that. Just gonna reset the pose and pose reset. Just check stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll start with that. Um, so yeah, for example, if I rotate this toe, that's how that's supposed to work. Maybe there's a toe. Is it this thing? Or no, that's the pivot there. I thought there's like a separate toe thing on here, but I can't remember. Um, doesn't matter. I was just gonna check the weights on this. Right mouse click, paint, skin cluster, weights. Double click on that. Let's right mouse click, unlock inverse selection, and yeah, that unlocks everything. And let's find toe star, toe star. So yeah, I can see, this stuff should be 100% with that toe. So I'm going to replace with a value of 1 and just paint on the tip there. Maybe all of that. I don't know. Something like that. And let's see if that works a little better now. See how that, for this part, see how that toe's really sticking now? Compare that to this one. See how it's sort of like moving right away? Actually, we can look at them both simultaneously. See the difference? Okay. That's looking good. But too much moving with that shoulder. That looks alright. That's looking okay. So for this, yeah, you're hurting from a lack of geometry here. It's really stretching out those faces quite far. What just the heck just happened? Something went funny. Kind of freaked out. Let me try reopening the file. Okay. That's kind of garbled up there, isn't it? I mean, normally the arms are more out to the side when you bind it in the first place, not so far down because, you kind of want to be at the midpoint. Like that's the lowest I would go. Usually I just do it here. Um, but anyway, some of these Like I think any of these shouldn't shouldn't go at the shoulder. So I'm just gonna go to the paint weights tool and oh that's right, Malk. Unlock inverse selection. And let's just make sure, let's just do star shoulder star to find that, and then left shoulder. And let's just make sure none of those move with that left shoulder. So we'll replace with a value of 0 flood. And then maybe these other shoulder parts as well.
I just had dinner and now I just came up and I saw your text.
A little better. Yeah, I mean what you're really suffering from is just a lack of, A, that the arms aren't out to the side, and B, that there's just sort of a lack of geometry here. In this area. So you're going to have to kind of fiddle with the weights with that for a while, or take a few steps back. That's working. That's good. That seems alright. Okay, yeah, mostly looking pretty good.